What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm coming to you live with some extra energy today because I want to show you the contrast between that level and cool, calm, and collected. The way that I have noticed is the best approach in the market. Okay? I can do this. I can go all day long. I can be super hype. I can give you that. But that doesn't serve me well when I'm making decisions in the market. You see, if we let our emotions dictate or control our decision-making process in the market, that's when you get in trouble, okay? That's when you get in trouble. The best way to eliminate emotions from your decision-making process in the market is to have a very strong trading plan, a very strong trading strategy, one that is very strict, has very strict rules, okay? If you don't have that, Signature Entry is a great place to start, okay? So go there, check that out. I want to give you one more kind of pro tip here, and that is meditation, okay? If you haven't meditated before, you know, listen, when I first heard about it, I thought it was super corny. I was like, man, I don't need that. But I will tell you this, I've noticed a big difference when I do it and when I don't do it, okay? I've been dabbling in it for the last few years now. I'll be perfectly honest with you, pretty inconsistently those first few years. But man, this last year or so, I've taken it more seriously, and I've definitely noticed a bigger difference, just in mainly clarity of thought, right? And helping separate emotions from logic. And so I would start, if you're brand new, I would definitely start with the Headspace app. I think that's the most popular one, and for good reason. Going through just the basics course is perfectly fine. And then after that, the reason I would say after is because if you download Oak and you go through the mantra meditation one there, but that one's kind of more advanced, so I would definitely go through Headspace first before you move on to the mantra stuff. But man, check those out. I think anybody really can benefit from meditation. I think we're going to see a big explosion in that kind of area, that mental awareness, mental health. I think we're going to see a big expansion in that whole niche here over the next decade. So anyway, get yourself started on some meditation, and I hope that little pro tip helps you when you're in the market. And guys, have a happy 4th. Well, it's Thursday. I'll see you guys tomorrow anyway. But anyway, thanks for watching today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.